Hi, little coders. Let's look at the motion blocks today in ScratchJr. So we first need a sprite for it, and let's use tick. I like where tick is standing right in between the screen. This blue block here is the motion block, and all these 8 blocks are the different motion blocks which will make tick move around and do different things that we want it to. We'll start by having the green flag, which is one of the triggering blocks. Let's have tick first move right by 5, move left by 5, move up by 4, move down by 4. So you see our tick can move right, left, up, and down by the specified number here. Now let's have tick do a bit of a dance. And to do that, and we will pull one more trigger green flag. Now this is turn right. So kids, the difference between turn right and move right is when you say move right, you see that talk is moving away from its position. But when you ask talk to move right, you turn right, you will see that it stays where it is and just moves. So if you want talk to do a full circle, let's go for 12. Then we can have it turn anti-clock left side, which will bring it back to its position again by 12. Let's have talk jump by 5. And finally come back and rest where it is. So there you go. We can have talk do everything at one time. That is going to be one wobbly talk. It will certainly need to take a lot of rest and drink water. So that's it, kids. That's how we use the motion blocks, and you can do all of this in any game that you want to create in ScratchJr. Some amazing animation there, so start using it as soon as you can. Thanks for watching and have a great day.